Hello all, welcome to the video. Today we will be looking at one of the documentation tool for our Postman collection called Docgen. Of course, there are plenty of other tools that are available in the internet for the same purpose like Swagger, and even with Postman we can generate API documentation, but let us examine how does this tool works and what it generates for us. This is the GitHub repository of the Docgen, and they have given the final output of the Postman collection. This is what we can expect from our Postman collection, and here it is. They have given the installation guides. If you are on Windows, just click on this download binary. It will route to this page and you just click on this one. It will get downloaded, and I have downloaded it. Now in Postman I have an API collection for one of my project that I have made out with Laravel, and it is up and running in my exam local server. This is my Laravel code for the same API project. Let us get back to Postman. Now let us test some APIs present in this API collection. Login, okay. Get all admins, okay. The APIs are working fine. So to generate the API documentation, we need to export this Postman collection. Export. Make sure this radio button is selected and export. I have already exported it. So now to generate a API documentation, we should open the command line. Okay. Make sure the command line is on the same folder where this Docgen executable file is available. This file. I'll rename this to make it convenient for us. Docgen. Okay. Now to generate the documentation, we have to write this command: Docgen build -i and our API.json file name -o and our path directory HTML. Okay, documentation generated successfully to index.html. Let us look at it. Yeah, we have an index.html file generated. Now let us open it with Google Chrome and look at this. We have the API documentation ready. Login, we have the request and the headers and get APIs, and this is file upload API, and pretty much it. And this is the HTML that this Docgen plugin helps us in generating the Postman collection, and this will be very helpful for us in very different cases, that every time we don't have to open Postman for just knowing what are the input that we are passing to a particular API in many cases. Okay, that's it for the video. Meet you all with another video. Bye.